Since we've been out sailing, I've gotten to spend my birthday in some pretty awesome places. The Bahamas, Culebra, St. Thomas, San Juan, St. Croix. And this year, I get to add a brand new awesome spot for my birthday list. Our current home of St. Martin. Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, c'est mon anniversaire. Lauren's laughing. Don't even be a little impressed. Took me a long time to put that all together. It's my birthday! And what do we do on our birthdays? We go get French food for breakfast. So we're headed over to the French side to Chez Fernand to get some quiches and some pain au chocolat and lattes and all that. And then later today, we are going to Huppel the pub to watch a big soccer match between Netherlands and Turkey. Soccer is something, football here, is something that we've been trying to pay a little closer attention to because Rivers is very into soccer. And he's going to be playing soccer again when we get to Grenada. But what is it? It's like Euro Cup or something like that? Semifinals, yeah, so it's kind of a big deal. So we kind of wanted to go to a Dutch bar and watch the Dutch watch football, soccer, because it should be pretty cool. I mean, if there's one thing that we miss, like culturally, about being in the States is we're big American football fans, and football, we love football. And that kind of environment is something that we don't get around American football here, even though we do go find a game sometimes. So I'm kind of curious to just kind of be in a bar with this very much a local bar. So there'll be a lot of Dutch folks there watching the Netherlands, and I think it'll be fun to see them enjoy it the same way we enjoy American football. Anyway, French breakfast first. Petit déjeuner.
And
right, I mean, and that's what the lessons focus a lot on. A lot of food.
Je mange l'orange.
That's all she wants to say. River started doing Duolingo also, and our assumption is that about 2 to 3 weeks he'll probably pass us up and just be our translator, which is fun. Once again.
It's way better than any breakfast I could have made you, so.
This is our lunch treat.
Trying something new.
Fernand.
Olives and cheese.
Yeah, there was a couple versions of it, and we obviously got the one with the olives and the cheese in it.
I'm excited.
This guy loves olives.
He's a true European. Chocolate and olives.
Yeah.
And bread.
And bread. And coffee.
The vessel is bread.
Yeah. Is that a song?
It's the song that he's making. Alright. He smells the cake. Happy birthday!
The one that was on the top.
You'll save the biggest surprise for last.
Because it's not a surprise. Somebody snuck it.
I didn't sneak it. That was working. I had to dump everything out of the closets down there. Ah.
It's a new one.
Yep. Doesn't have a thing.
Yes,
Oh, yeah, it does.
It has it on there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. I need anything I can get to keep my cool. Did you pick it up?
He didn't pick out any because he was at camp this whole time. But I told him that present and the next one,
It looks
technically
like
from him.
your style. Make red hats wearable again.
Yeah. Rivers picked that one out too. Or he would have, if.
Because you like red. Nice. I didn't even assume that they had one of these. I should have, though.
What is it?
French for cruisers.
I
We
feel
have
like
the Spanish for cruisers.
so this is probably going to be more useful now that we're actually going to
Right.
cross. And it is pretty cool. It's like the light is out. You know what I mean? Like very specific
Useful phrases
useful
Yeah.
phrases for
for a boat.
a boat. I don't think you should open this one. It's the treasure box.
So when I was just running the wire for the thermostat, our new thermostat, which I put in our room, I was emptying the closets with your nicely organized bins, and as I went to pick it up, I'm like, oh, there's something heavy there, and I looked at it, I'm like, I wonder what she's keeping in a Blanton's box. And I'm like, oh,
Maybe you Blanton's.
I bet you there's Blanton's in the Blanton's box.
What is that? Oh, it's rum.
It's whiskey.
Whiskey.
Yeah. Registered bottle, number 191.
It didn't have any candles.
No candles.
We have really long matches.
for when our lighter quit on us or something.
Yeah, it was to get in the...
We couldn't find a lighter anywhere, so we found them, but we found matches.
Yeah.
You're just getting the dog hair off the matches.
That's a bug.
5! I am 5.
You are 5 years old. Woo!
Oh, it helped you out.
Dude, it's going crazy.
Alright.
Alright, it's way easier than candles.
Birthday to you. Oh no. Hurry up.
I did it. Just gotta get them out before they drop an ash.
Oh, time.
Yeah, I was about to say it might be hot. Good job, everybody.
We need knives.
Go get a knife.
That's a thin slice. That's gonna be for me.
You want a thin slice?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good slice. I think it's about the right.
Chocolate, chocolate, and chocolate, and chocolate.
It's good to have a designated driver on your birthday. This is what it looks like when the Netherlands plays Turkey in the Euro Cup semifinals. It's like watching football in America. Meanwhile, across the street, Rivers is running with the pack. As soon as we got to the bar, we're walking past it, we're like, I don't know if we can do this. There's so many people. And we're walking across the street and the kids are all like, hey, Rivers! So he's got a crew. So we let him play with them and we're here posting up in the corner. Just got the W, and the power keeps going out.
There's been a wasp flying around my plants lately, and we think they might be trying to build a nest up in here. But he's been here all morning. He's been around a bit. So, I don't really talk about my crafts very much. But I found a pattern online to crochet a hornet's nest, because I guess hornets and wasps are really territorial. So that's what I'm gonna do today, is crochet a hornet's nest to see if maybe I can get them to go away and stay off our boat. I did get stung by a hornet once on this boat, and it was the worst. But so I've got some natural colored yarn, and I'll just get to work. That's what it's supposed to look like at the end. So let's do it. Okay, well, now that our friend has come back a couple times, we're almost done with this. I gotta hang it up. Rivers, do me a favor. Take that bag. Is he? Oh man. Stop it. It's okay, he's gonna go out the door. Oh, nope, he's not.
Yeah, he's coming in.
He's down in the kitchen. Stuff it in there.
In there?
Yep, in the hole.
Why?
Because it's gotta be filled. We're gonna recycle. So we're just using old bags. And then we'll close it up, and then we'll hang it up, and then there'll be no more wasps. And we'll all be happy. Wasp nest.
Get that thing away from me!
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's not real.
Let's go hang it up.
It's from
Where you gonna hang it?
Outside.
For the movie?
Yeah.
That's what summer camp looks like right there. Summer camp in St. Martin. All day long. Rivers is doing summer camp from
9 to 4:30.
9 to 4:30 every day. Yeah. He's been doing good. He gets homesick. He misses us. It's nice.
It is nice, but I also feel like maybe he's using it to try and get out of it.
To endear himself to us.
He likes it a lot, but
Kinda
he
works.
doesn't want to admit that he likes it a lot. So
Yeah.
He's like, it's so long and I miss you. I want to stay home.
Can I have Chinese food?
Yeah, basically. Whatever he wants.
Pretty cool.